Hey there, bloggers! Want to write blog posts that actually rank on Google? Even if you're a total beginner, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to write SEO-friendly blog posts in 2025, using smart strategies and free tools from SEO Oven to help you rank higher, drive traffic, and grow your blog. Let's get started. First things first, how does Google even rank blog posts? Google ranks content based on relevance, search intent, and keyword usage. Clear, organized, and easy-to-read blogs perform better. If your blog is slow, hard to read, or lacks engagement, it won't rank. The key? Write content that helps your audience and signals to Google that it's the best answer to their search. Step 1 in writing a blog post that ranks: finding the right keywords. Use SEO Oven's free keyword research tool to find low-competition, high-traffic keywords for your niche, long-tail keywords that match search intent, and trending SEO phrases for 2025. Once you have your keywords, you're ready to optimize your post. Great SEO starts with great structure. Here's how to format your post. Include your primary keyword naturally in the title. Hook readers with a question or a strong opening in the intro. Organize your content with headings. Break up text into short paragraphs, and link to other helpful content. Bonus tip: use the SEO Oven Content Optimizer to check your post before publishing. Before hitting publish, do these SEO must-dos. Add keywords naturally in your content, headings, and image alt text. Write a compelling meta description. Optimize images for fast loading. Use internal links to boost authority. This ensures Google understands your post and ranks it higher. Promoting your blog post is crucial. Share on social media, email your subscribers, and get backlinks from relevant blogs in your niche. Promotion is just as important as writing. Don't skip this step. And that's it. Now you know how to write blog posts that rank on Google, even as a beginner. Comment below. What's your biggest challenge with SEO blogging? Let's chat. Subscribe for more SEO and blogging tips every week. Want to boost your rankings? Check out SEO Oven's free SEO tools here.